Hello traders, so let's open the link that I just shared so that I can help you be able to understand the concept that I'm trying to develop. When you open the tool, that is how it looks like, and you give it some time to load. But if you want it to load very fast, it has loaded already. But if you want it to load very fast, you just click on volatility and change to any other volatility. You can see the ticking digit, or the last digit is the one with the yellow bar, and as per the moment, it's at digit 3, digit 8, digit 1, and so on and so forth. For the red bar, it's at digit 5, and then the green bar, it's at digit 0. Let's use that as the green bar. You can stop analysis first such that we get to understand what the tool is doing. For the strategy, for example, that I gave you for the wealth generator bot, we said digit 0 and 1 are supposed to be less than 10%. So number one, this tool is checking for digit 0. What is digit 0's percentage and what is digit 1's percentage? You can see when the percentage is above 10, it's color red. When the percentage is below 10, it's color green. So it first checks digit 0 and 1 percentages just to make sure that the two digits are less than 10%. And then secondly, it's checking for the percentage. That is the over 3 percentage. What is over 3 percentage? And it's at least supposed to be 60% for you to trade. If it's anything below 60%, you will note that the color is different from the one that is above 60%. Next, quickly, let's move to the MAD. MAD stands for the most appearing digit. That is the digit with the green bar. When trading over, it's supposed to be on any digit from digit 5 to digit 9. That is when it will be color green. You can see, like, when it's on digit 4, digit 0, digit 1, the color is not green. But when it's above digit, from digit 5 all the way to 9, that is when the color is green. The same case is what is happening to the LAD, the least appearing digit. It's supposed to be above digit 3. So you can note that when it's at digit 0, 0, the color is different from when it's at digit 8, digit 7, digit 9, digit 3. It's supposed to be as from digit 3 and above. Those are the conditions that the tool is using to be able to analyze and have a score of the markets. And it's arranged from the worst market to the best market, like tukianzia chini. But if we are doing that from number one is the best market all the way to the worst market. So the idea of anytime when you log in to your day, if you want to trade, because when you look at every market you can see a good entry, that is what I'm trying to eliminate. When it has written that not ready, it means that even if we change to that V101S, still the market is not ready, so it will not give us an entry. There is one bug, or there is an issue that has arisen, in that when you click on, when we'll find a good entry, your screen will go black. I'm working on trying to fix that. I'm looking for a way I can debug that such that when it finds a signal, your screen does not go black. So, and that one is only happening on the mobile users. But I'm trying to find a way that I can debug that. And every signal, it has a duration that it lasts for. It gives you an entry point. But this is just but the beginning. I'll develop the under part, the even odd section, and so on and so forth. It's something complex. We are dealing with the first segment. As we move on, I'll develop the tool even better. I just want to make sure that for over is working perfectly. That is when I'll move to under, because under is just but the opposite of over. That is when now I'll move to even odd. That is when now I'll move to matches and divers, and so on and so forth. So your patience will be highly appreciated. So the issue that I'm working on is the one that when your screens turn white. I'm trying to fix that, and I'll let you know. And there are quite a number of few changes that I'll do to the whole thing. So just be patient.